Ever shared your phone and now you're worried about someone messing with your YouTube account? Don't stress, logging out is super easy. First, launch the YouTube app on your phone or tablet. Look for the red play button logo. That's your ticket in. Now, in the upper right corner of your screen, you'll see your profile icon. It usually displays your picture or initial. Tap it. This will take you to your account page. You'll see your name, your Google account details, and a bunch of options below. Scroll down through the menu until you find settings. It looks like a gear icon. Give that a tap. On the settings page, look for manage accounts. It will be close to the top of the page. Tap on that. Here you'll see all the Google accounts that are currently signed into YouTube on your device. Tap on the account you want to log out of. A pop-up will appear giving you the option to remove the account from this device. Press this. YouTube will then ask you to confirm you really want to remove the account from the device. Confirm by pressing the remove button. And that's it. You're now logged out. YouTube will now prompt you to sign in when you open the app again. Quick, easy, and secure. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.